video I'll be reviewing and discussing the JVC GR-AX400 VHS-C camcorder. So the camcorder comes in this nice Cobra bag here. It's got lots of compartments in, and when we open it, there's this zip thing here. That's when you open it, you can see all the different compartments in here. And here is the main camcorder. Front here, there's the nice handle, and here is the front here. It says compact VHS random assemble editing GR-AX400 VHS-C. And here's the front. This is where the battery goes, and this is the viewfinder here. This is a black and white viewfinder, and here's on this side, on the top of the camera, you can see the zoom toggle. If you lift up this this compartment here, you can see all the different playback functions, like play, pause, rewind, fast forward, and tracking, and so on. And looking at the front, you can see the lens with the cap here. It's got full range autofocus and 12 times hyper zoom. Here is the light with the JVC logo underneath. Here is the white balance / autofocus sensor, and here is the remote input here, and the microphone. On the bottom you can see the tripod mount and all the different specifications. Looking at what else is in this bag, you can see the instruction manual for the AX400 and AX350 here. It's got all the different stuff in this instruction manual, and also is a AC adapter, so you can charge, so you can use it while it is plugged into the wall of this end to plug into the charging unit. On the bottom of the case you can see the VHS-C to VHS adapter. You just put the tape in here, put the tape in there, and then close it up here. And there's two compartments here that show this tape and this tape. And it comes with this other pocket here. It comes with another VHS-C tape and another one here. Also on the front it has an AV to SCART adapter, so it has the 3 AV cables here with audio and video, and the SCART cable here. Also, that's it in the box, but it does include this AC power adapter. I'm now charging the battery. Here it is here, and it is the AA-V1EK here. Quite thick, and that's about it here. So by plugging this in here and plugging the other end into the camcorder, it is plugged in here, so you can now use it. So if you just hold it like this, and you can, it will eventually come out, so you can insert a VHS-C tape like this, and then close it and press the push button, and now you can either turn it on to playback or on. So here is on. So now it is stuck in the tape, and you can see the viewfinder, black and white viewfinder in here. And as you can see, it's no problems whatsoever, and yep. And you can switch it to playback and lift these functions up by pressing play here. You can watch it in black and white. And looking at the output, by lifting this little cover off here, you can see the RF and audio and video outputs with the edit little thing there. On the front you can see that when you press this button here, it changes from fader and cinema to focus and exposure and title and display. You can change all these ones here to whatever function you want. And this is an eject switch, so when you just press it open, it should undo it itself. There, and you just push it back in. That's the sound it makes when it comes in. Auto pause, so that's when you can stop recording, And here is the light. You can switch it on auto, so when it doesn't pick up that much light on the lens, it will turn on automatically, or you can just do on, and it will be on. Here is the zoom. You can see it zooming in right now, and zooming out. There it is there. So this VHS-C camcorder is actually from 1995, so it's just over 20 years old. It has been kept very nicely, and at the time it's a very good model. So we're taking out the VHS-C tape and inserting it to a VHS-C adapter. See here, and push it back down. You can grab this here and flick it open. Insert it here, and then the red thing will go in, and when it stops, it is ready to insert into a VCR, and you can easily just flick it back into, it will rewind itself back into the original tape. Yeah. So looking at more detail at the instruction manual, you can see all the different stuff that includes like before using, quick operation guide, preparation, recording, playback, and accessories and information. And at the back you can tell that it is from 1995. So thank you for watching this video, guys. This has been my first video of talking about a product. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and if you did, please like and subscribe. And I have a lot of VHS camcorders, so be sure to check that out when it comes out. I have the Panasonic M10, the Panasonic M7, this JVC GR-AX400, and a Panasonic MC10. These are all from the late 80s, from this one which is the 90s to the late 80s. Thanks for watching this video, guys, and I'll hopefully see you in the next video. Bye.